How to use Dramabox app to watch movies and shows for free. So if you want to use Dramabox app to watch movies and shows for free, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store at first. Go with search, which is on the bottom right, and then search for Dramabox. Once you've searched, you will have an install button right here. Tap on install and it will start the installation process. Once you've installed, you will have open button. Tap on open and agree to the terms of service. Now once you've done, you need to allow the notifications too. Now go and search for any movie or show that you would like to watch. Tap on start watching. Tap on any movie or show, or just simply go with search, which is on the top, and search for any movies or shows that you would like to watch. And you can also download that movie or show. On the bottom right, you will have download option. You can go with download. So you can go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and you can go and log into an account. But if you don't have an account, then you can just simply go and create your account. After creating, just log in and then use the application to watch your movies and shows. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.